Nous allons nous connecter maintenant avec l'Inde, Dominique. On va se donner 15 minutes. Je vous demanderai vraiment de bien tenir le timing. Sinon, on va raccourcir la pause déjeuner. C'est trop dommage. Donc voilà, 15 minutes et vous allez nous présenter, Dominique, votre invité.
Hello, Dr. Vrajesh. Can you hear me? Hello. Alors, nous allons faire un exercice qui est un petit peu compliqué parce que je vais lui parler en anglais, il va répondre en anglais, puis je vais vous traduire. Donc, on va essayer de faire très, très vite. Dr. Vrajesh, I'm explaining that I'm talking to you in English. You reply in English and I will have to translate. That's a very peculiar exercise. Donc, le Docteur Vrajesh Parikh, Vrajesh Parikh, est de la Science City d'Ahmedabad, en Inde, qui est dans l'état du Gujarat. C'est l'est de l'Inde. I'm just explaining where Gujarat is. So thank you very much. I'm so happy to have you on the screen. Merci beaucoup. We met some months ago, and il travaille dans la Science City, la cité de la science à Ahmedabad, où il y a tout un complexe consacré aux sciences marines, parce que le Gujarat a de très longues côtes et 1600 km de côte. I'm explaining that you're having 1600 kilometers of coast. And so I asked you to answer this question, is the climate change impacting your coastline, and how do you react? What do you know? What do you know you have to do? And so on. Donc, je lui demande évidemment en quoi le changement climatique affecte les côtes du Gujarat, qui est à l'est de l'Inde. Dr. Vrajesh, it's your turn.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, thank you, Dr. Dominic, for inviting me for this serious topic. And I'm very happy. In India, we are saying one world, one family. So you have counted me in your family. So thank you so much.
Il nous remercie évidemment. Il nous remercie. Nous sommes comme une famille. Go ahead.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can. Yes, we can.
Yeah. So I'm just offing my video, and I'm just going to start the presentation. So again, I have taken the topic. It's let us change our mindset and lifestyle, not the climate.
Oui,
because
I'm
in
going
India,
to
we are having
translate
huge
that.
population.
I'm translate that.
Yeah,
il faut que nous changions notre état d'esprit et notre mode de vie. Mais le climat, c'est compliqué. Go ahead.
Yeah. So India is having nearly 7,500 kilometers of the coastal area, and in which we are having 9 states and 4 territorial area, right? As well as if we see the Gujarat, then 23% of the area, coastal area, means it is the first in India. Means in India, maximum coastal line is with Gujarat.
Oui, je vais traduire ça. Donc, vous avez vu les chiffres. Il y a beaucoup plus. Il y a plus de 7000 km de côte en Inde. Mais le Gujarat, c'est celui qui a la plus longue côte. Les plus longues côtes.
Yeah, in India, there is a two type, eastern and western coastal plains are there. And that is formed by natural erosion, deposition of sediments, and different tectonic movements. Now, in India, if we see, there is a tropical climate. We are having a very diverse of the area and all that. So, most of the Indian coastal region are low-lying and densely populated.
Bon, et alors, il nous explique qu'effectivement, on est dans une zone tropicale, les terres sont basses, et donc, évidemment, il y a des problèmes. Vous voyez, c'était coastal area and the problems they have.
Now, if we talk about Gujarat, then we say always Kem Cho, means how are you?
Go ahead. We are fine.
So Gujarat is having totally 196,000 kilometer area and more than 6 crores population. We are having a variation in temperature from 25 degree to 45 degree in summer and 15 degree to 35 degree in winter.
Oui, il nous montre les températures très hautes qu'il peut y avoir en été. Hein. Vous le voyez, jusqu'à 45 degrés. Et de toute façon, on a beaucoup entendu parler de l'Inde cet été. Enfin, je suppose que vous l'avez entendu. Il y a des graves problèmes avec l'augmentation de température en Inde.
We are the best in biodiversity. In Gujarat, we are having everything. We are having desert, we are having shrubland, we are having grassland, we are having deciduous forest, we are having wetland, mangroves, coral reefs, estuaries, and gulfs. Everything means Gujarat is rich in biodiversity.
Oui, et il rappelle, et vous pouvez le lire, et tant mieux si vous lisez l'anglais, il voulait nous montrer à quel point il y a une grande diversité. Il y a aussi bien des déserts que des mangroves, que des forêts où les feuilles tombent, que toutes sortes d'écosystèmes terrestres. Quoique les mangroves, c'est intermédiaire. Hein, les mangroves, c'est intermédiaire, comme vous savez.
Yeah, so
Go ahead.
We are having 1,600 kilometers of longest coastline in India, but as three major issues in all over the world, we are also facing the same issue. Ocean acidification due to maximum CO2 absorption, ocean surface temperature, like we are saying was SSTs, sea surface temperature is increasing, and oxygen intake, or we can say dissolved oxygen, is very less. Due to that, it is very difficult for the many species of marine life. They are in threatened, right? So we also facing issues with cyclones. If we see last 5 years, we having 4 cyclones. In that, 3 are very, very extremely severe cyclones.
Alors, ce que vous avez rappelé en premier, et ça prolonge ce qui a été dit à la précédente table ronde, tous les mêmes problèmes sont vécus là-bas, c'est-à-dire l'acidification de l'océan, l'augmentation de température en surface, la désoxygénation, et ce sur quoi il insistait dans ce dernier slide, c'est sur les cyclones qui arrivent, je crois qu'il a dit 5, dont 3 très puissants, là je peux avoir oublié. Did you say that you had 5 cyclones and 3 of them were really powerful?
Yes.
Oui, c'est ça.
Yes. So we are having Biparjoy in 2023. We are having Taukte in 2022, Nisarg, that is in 2020, and Vayu in 2019. So four cyclones in 5 years.
4 cyclones en 5 ans. And would you say it created a new way of thinking? You were talking about mindset in the first slide. So, donc la question que je lui pose, c'est est-ce que ces cyclones finalement ça transforme la façon de voir? Yes, it does.
Yeah, that is the first problem. Second problem is erosion of the land. If I explain, then in Kutch, maximum problem is occurred. As well as then Khambat area is there in the state. So, and Jamnagar, these 3 areas, they are near the coastline. So they are facing erosion issue also.
Alors, il nous montre 3 endroits. Could you show us the previous
yes,
one?
Yes,
this one. Yes. Il insiste sur le fait qu'à Kutch, Janagar, and je ne connais pas encore tout le Gujarat, excusez-moi. Et Junagadh, l'érosion est le principal problème. Et là aussi, ça reboucle avec tout ce qui se dit depuis hier ici.
And this is the effect of sea surface temperature. Right. So this is a major issue, and definitely we humans are the responsible, that I believe, and everyone I think believe, because we have connected, we are using so many fuels in vehicles and industry. So CO2 is too much in the whole environment, and because of that CO2 is absorbed in sea, the temperature is increasing.
Oui. Il rappelle qu'évidemment l'augmentation de CO2 dans l'atmosphère provoque différents phénomènes qui amènent à cette érosion. Go ahead.
So I have just listed out the issues in Gujarat specifically, but I have seen in all over world, these are the common issues, like rising the sea level and coastal erosion is there. Then we are having infrastructure damage because of cyclone, loss of life because of cyclone. Rainfall pattern is totally different. Like recently only we have seen in some places nearly more than 14 inches like rain is there, and somewhere there is no rain. So droughts are there, flooding is there. So these are the issues we are facing right now.
Oui, n'enlevez pas, voilà, parce que quand même, ça rappelle, ça récapitule des choses qui ont été évoquées, mais quand même qu'il faut avoir en... No, the previous one, yeah. Donc, érosion côtière, dommages aux infrastructures, il peut y avoir des morts ou des blessés. Et le changement, ça aussi c'est très important et ça a été dit de multiples fois, le changement dans les précipitations. Donc, ici, ça a été dit, ici, dans le Cotentin, il y a du crachin, et bien maintenant, il y aura peut-être presque de la mousson. Et ça change les choses dans le cycle de l'eau. Vous l'avez maintenant tous compris, je suppose. Go ahead, Vrajesh. In fact, I'm going to ask you immediately another question because we have 2 minutes, 20 seconds. So, you know, it's very, very quick.
Okay.
You know, I asked you whether it was easy for you or not to pass on the information to the political people. And in India, it's so important. So what is your answer? Je lui demande s'il peut arriver à passer tous ces messages aux hommes politiques parce que c'est quand même important aussi en Inde. Allez-y. Go ahead.
Answer is yes, because Gujarat is the first state who has started climate change department in 2009.
Yeah.
And it is working very well. I have just mentioned few key functions of that. They are making policies, they are doing research analysis, they are creating capacity building, they are training the people, they have made the climate action plans, we are having international cooperations. So I think due to that, we are connecting right now and we will also learn from each other. We are also having a climate finance. We are also monitoring and evaluating everything. And right now, I am mentioning in India, in our science city, we have made a climate change learning lab. So these are the answers, but still the nature which we are disturbing. So that's why I mentioned initially, we have to change our mindset. We have to change our lifestyle. Then only we can sort it out. Otherwise, what happens? We can do everything, but individual social responsibility. It is a matter of individual social responsibility.
Bien sûr.
Please.
Bien sûr. Alors, ce qui rappelle, et évidemment, il ne faut pas oublier, ça je peux vous le traduire pour vous, c'est que le Gujarat, c'est quand même l'État où a commencé Modi, donc, qui est à la tête de toute l'Inde. Donc, évidemment, la réponse qui nous est faite, là c'est un commentaire de ma part, elle ne peut pas être totalement dépourvue d'un biais, mais il dit qu'il a les finances, il dit qu'il y travaille. Ce que je sais, pour l'avoir côtoyé, c'est que Modi regarde très précisément ce qui se passe et peut-être, would you say that Gujarat could be a sort of example for the rest of India?
Yes, of course, because we have already started coastal protection processes. We are already trying to make a seawall. We have also created a project of mangrove restoration.
Yeah.
In waste management, also we are working with desalination plant. We are also working for rainwater harvesting, effective irrigation. We are also connected with Israel for that all technologies. We are also having disaster plans, early warning systems, emergency response plans, disaster resistance infrastructure. In agriculture also, we are trying to salt-tolerant crops, making agroforestry, organic farming.
Okay.
Nowadays, we are also coming up with cow-based natural farming.
Okay, I will stop here. Just leave, please leave the previous slide. Parce qu'il nous a répondu que oui, ils sont en train d'implémenter un certain nombre de décisions. Il a parlé quand même d'un mur contre l'océan, hein, sea walls, de la restauration des mangroves, de alimenter les plages, on en a parlé dans la dernière table ronde, d'avoir des plantes qui sont capables de refournir de l'eau douce dans les régions où il y a beaucoup d'intrusion d'eau salée, et ils récupèrent l'eau de pluie et ils se mettent à faire de l'irrigation la plus efficace possible. I'm very sorry, Dr. Vrajesh Parikh, but I think I have to stop now, but I thank you. It was really nice to have somebody from India nowadays. Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup, on peut l'applaudir très très fort.
Thank you.
Merci Dominique pour la traduction. Merci beaucoup.